Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this Power BI video, we will learn nested if using switch function. Click on the new column icon. I will name my column as multiple if using switch. Let's write the formula as equal to switch, true. If product is laptop and sales is greater than 5, then return the value as good sales. If product is cell phone and sales is greater than 10, then return the value as good sales. If the above conditions are false, then return poor sales. We have now created a new column using the switch and true DAX functions.